The chemistry of my favorite food. Did you know many cheese are enjoyed on their own snacks and appetizers, appreciated for their diverse flavors and textures? Cheese is used in vast array of culinary applications across diverse cultures and cuisine worldwide. Cheese is used in sandwich and burgers, pasta dishes, salad, dips, and spread. And otherwise, cheese is used as an ingredient in many processed food. Naisip ako mga sandwich, burger, nag-crave dito mga.
Ma'am! Ma'am! Special dito na ma'am. Gagawin ka galit burger ma'am. Ma'am mo may burger ako ma'am. Maginabaligya ma'am. Ana, sugod ka lang may patty, may tinapay mao, tapos may toppings yung mga patty. So, dugo ka namin ka na alam may ruan naman mo. Good cheese kita. Good cheese kita sa tanang dupin na namin ka kanan. Gusto mo sa miti ma'am, abo kita nga nutrient content at mas abo kita high value cheese nga raag magamit natin ma'am. Miti sir?
Diba?
Ay mo naman sir? Ano ma'am?
Namin ito anak. Malasa. Ito dahil nagapa namin sa yan burger na lang.
Yes sir, gapa namin dito cheese na lang sa tanan.
Did you know that the cheese is made from the milk? Yes, the cheese is made from the milk. And there is a 10 process to make the cheese. Preparing the milk. Start by processing the milk to prepare it to turn into cheese. Acidifying the milk. Adding culture so that the milk ferments and becomes more acidic. Curdling the milk. Adding a coagulant to cause a reaction that curdles the milk, creating curds. Cutting the curd. The cheesemakers slice the curd with knives to separate the curds and whey. Processing the curd. Stir, cook, and wash the curd to acidify and dry it. Draining the whey. Next, they drain the whey, leaving only a mat of cheese curd. Cheddaring the cheese. The cheesemakers cut the curd mat into sections and repeatedly flip the piece before milling. Salting the cheese. Some cheesemakers salt their cheese while others brine it in a salt solution. Shaping the cheese. They may shape the cheese often using molds to assist. And the last one is aging the cheese makers. They age the cheese for days or years. Did you know the cheese is a great source of calcium, fat, and protein? It also contains high amounts of vitamins A and B12 along with zinc, phosphorus, and vitamin 2.